Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to write a Python program code. So that is about how to check any given number is prime number or not a prime number. So first of all, import numpy library. So import numpy as np and take input value as num. So I'm creating one object that is num. So input of enter number. It is input. Before writing code, first of all, we need to understand what is prime number. So if you understand what is prime number, so then we can write the code very easily. So first of all, understand the what is prime number. So let's see one example. So we know that 11 is a prime number. So nothing much. So from 2 to 10, divide the 11, the remainder is not 0. That means, so less than 11, there is no factors for 11. Nothing but there is no remainder zeros. Means we are going to use algorithm on remainders. So first of all, we are going to collect all the remainders. If there are zeros are there, so then we can say that it is not a prime number. So first of all, we collect the zeros. Means reminders. So 2 by 11, it gives one reminder. 11 by 3, it gives one reminder. 11 by 4, it gives one reminder. So 11 by 5, it gives one reminder. So like this, we are going to collect all the reminders from 2 to 10. So in that list, if there is zeros are there, nothing but it have some factors are there. So if there is no zeros, there is no factors. Like that, we are going to consider that it is even it is a prime number or not a prime number. So first of all, create one empty list. So that is z. Now take this given number into another object for performing some operations. So let's consider that is capital B equal to so given number that is num. Now I am going to apply the for loop. So I am going to consider the values from so 2 to less than given number. So that is nothing but you can write as for I in np dot arrange from 2 to b. Now first of all collect the all the reminders. So let's assume that that is a equal to number person I. It gives reminders. It was stored in A. Now store this value into the ZZ list. So now append that ZZ dot pen that A value. After collecting all the list values, so let's see here. I'm going to print here print ZZ. So that number here. Now I'm going to enter. Suppose I'm going to enter 16. Now enter here. So it was generated reminders. So 100 something 442076 are there. So here 10 means the total zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros are there. Means we have 3 factors are there for the given number 16. Now if we take 11, so we know that 11 is a prime number. So there are no zeros are there in the place. So then we can say that 11 is a prime number. So like that we are going to write the code based upon the reminders. So first of all count the total number of zeros in the list of ZZ. So let's assume that total count C equal to now count the total number of zeros in ZZ. So ZZ dot count total we are going to count the number of zeros are there. So if there are zeros are there, that means greater than 0. Now apply the if loop. So if condition, so if C greater than 0. So SV means total number of zeros are there in judged list. So if this value is greater than 0, so then we can say that it have some factors. Other than that, it is not a prime number. So then print it is not a prime number. Else it is a prime number. Now here is the code. I am going to enter 11. We know that there are no zeros are there in the list. So it is a small letters, not the capital letters. Count. Now here is the code. So it is a method. Okay. So it is a prime number. So as well as we are going to print total number of zeros are there and list value. So print Z. So Z list. As well as we are going to print total number of zeros are there. So I am going to take one big number. Suppose our target is 114847. Is it prime or not prime? Okay. 144847. Enter. So it is a prime number because here total number of zeros are there 0. Okay. So in this list, if you observe here, there are no remainders or zeros. Okay. So these are all remainders. There is no single zero there in this list. So the total count of zeros are 0. So that's why it is a prime number. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.